What to do if there is intermittent nailing? Let's open this nail trough solder. Unscrew the screws on both sides. There are two reasons for the failure. One is that there is dirt inside the nail trough soldering. The second reason is that the pushpin spring has failed. Take out the nail trough solder. Also, unscrew the screws at the end. Take out the parts inside. Discover that the pushpin spring has failed. Screw the screw at the end of the nail trough solder a little, as long as it doesn't fall off. Put into the railing. Just put it in the empty space here. Replaced with a new pushpin spring. Holding the spring in place by hand. Then put in the pushpin block. Be careful not to install it backwards. If the card does not fit into the slot, you can loosen the screw at the end a little. Then you can put the pusher block completely into the nail trough solder. After putting it in, tighten the tail screw. Check if the nail trough solder can bounce freely. Pull up the fasteners. Put the magazine set back into place. Then screw the screws on both sides of the nail trough soldering back into place. After the repair is completed, we install the staples. Check whether the nailing is smooth.